I, Vijay Victor, welcome you, my dear class 10 students, in physics class and in the e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Today we are going to discuss, and I am going to take a class on one of the most important topics, that the numericals of physics. And I am going to discuss the basic concept of the sign convention, that is basic concept, sign convention of the numericals related to lengths. Now, to understand the sign convention, what do you understand by the term convention? Convention का अर्थ क्या समझते हैं? Anyone? कन्वेंशन मीन्स मान्यता या परंपरा. हम उसके विषय में क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. जैसे इसमें कितने मुस्लिम बच्चे हैं? रेज योर हैंड. जब भी आप नमाज पढ़ते हो तो अपने सर पर क्या रखते हो? कुछ रखते हो ना बच्चों? टोपी बांधते हो या कुछ कपड़ा रखते हो? ऐसा रखते हो ना, रुमाल रखते हो. तो कभी पापा जी से बोले हो कि पापा जी गर्मी है, क्या जरूरत है यहाँ रखेंगे तभी हम अल्लाह मियाँ हमारी नमाज पढ़ेंगे, तो रख के हटा कर नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं. इसका कोई तर्क नहीं है, वो परंपरा से चलता है, इसलिए हम वैसा करते हैं. छठ में भी देखिएगा बहुत सारी मान्यताएं हैं. छठ का प्रसाद एक अलग ही जगह, एक अलग ही चूल्हे में बनता है. घर वाले में जिसमें मीट मछली बनता है उसमें नहीं बन सकता. Likewise here, for to understand the sign convention, since there is a difference between mirror and lens, because in mirror there is at a certain side there is a reflecting side and certain side there is non-reflecting side. But lens is a optic device in which the ray of light pass through. उसमें क्या होता है, वो एक साइड से होकर दूसरे साइड से जाता है. So to understand the side from which the incident rays are coming, the side through which the incident rays are coming, or the side on which the objects are kept, the distance on this side we have to measure this negative and this side positive. Okay. So we have discussed that convex lens is a converging lens. Here is the focus and this is known as focal length, and this one is optical center. Okay. So you have to keep one thing in your mind, that any distance in lens is measured from optical center. What is optical center?
Center of
No. Optical center, I have discussed this one. In class 10C also I have discussed, explained this one in class 10A. Optical center is a center or is a point inside the lens through which the incident rays pass through undeviated in a straight line. Lens के mid section में एक point होता है through which the incident rays pass through undeviated in a straight line, and that point inside the lens is situated in the mid section of the lens is known as optical center. So you have to measure that any distance is measured from optical center, and this optical center is denoted by the letter O. Okay. Towards the object it is negative, other side it is positive. Above the principal axis positive, and below the principal axis negative. Now here, this is the convex lens. Concave lens. This one is the concave lens. So the side on which the object is kept, this side the distance is measured negative, this side the measure is negative, measure positive. Now here the rays refracted and it appears to pass through from this point, and this distance is known as focal length. Now, here is the serial number. Convex lens, concave lens. Here the distance, and this is the serial. U denotes the object distance. So while I teach you about the sign convention in mirror, that time also I explained this, I mentioned this thing, that object's distance is always negative irrespective of any lens or any mirror. तो इसमें आप क्या लिखना है बच्चों, ये क्या होगा हमारा negative. Now the second one is focal length. Here I mentioned focal length in convex lens is positive because the refracted rays pass through other side of the lens and converge at a point. This one is positive and this one is negative. Now the image distance. The image distance is in two cases. In the case of real image and in the case of virtual image. Class 10C. We have gone through all the 6 conditions, ray diagram. So condition number 1 to condition number 5, the images are real from other side of the lens. So in that case, the image distance, when the image is real, the image distance is positive, and in the 6th condition, that is negative. That is the also the ray diagram is known as the ray diagram of simple microscope. I have given you the example. वो घड़ी साथ जो जैसे देखता है, सोनार जो जैसे देखता है, एकदम नजदीक से देखता है ना ऐसा. So that is in the case of the image is formed on the side of object. बना था ना? Here it is virtual, and in both cases it is virtual and positive. Now fourth one, the height of object always kept above the principal axis. This one is positive and this one is also positive. Fifth one, height of image. The height of image in two cases, real and virtual. When the image is formed real in convex lens, that is formed on the other side of the lens, and it formed very good. It formed below the principal axis. So height of the image in this case has become negative. And the 6th condition in the case of simple microscope, आप जब किसी चीज को बहुत नजदीक से पावर वाला शीशा यूज करके देखते हैं तो उल्टा नजर आता है कि सीधा नजर आता है? सीधा. तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा पॉजिटिव. Here it is always positive. Now the 6th condition, that is known as magnification. Magnification आप जान चुके हैं. Magnification stands for height of the image to the height of object. Okay. So here, when the height of image, it has two cases, real and virtual. The height of object is always positive. Height of object always positive. We have discussed this thing. अभी तुरंत हमने डिस्कस किया है ना. देखो तो positive upon negative, because real image में कैसा बना? Negative. The positive और negative क्या हो जाएगा हमारे ये? Negative. And positive upon positive? Positive. And this is always positive. Understood? Now the lens formula. The lens formula is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. And one more thing, you have to find height of image. That's equal to the plus sign, with the plus sign V upon U to the height of object. But in mirror, this plus sign will become negative. When you have to find height of object in the case of mirror, then you have to use minus d upon into the height of the object. Now, please anyone give me the science NCERT book so that I will explain one question. Then what you have discussed, the basic concept regarding the sign convention that will become useful for us. Now, my dear students, please open your book at page 186. 186. So I am going to explain one question. I will take one numericals from here. Now see question number 10. Now get ready, I will ask you questions. An object 5 centimeter in length. Whenever I ask you a question, you have to see the table. My dear students, you will not find this type of table in any book. I am very sure. आप याद रखोगे बच्चों, ये जो टेबल मैंने आपको जनरेट करके बनाया है या बताया है, ये टेबल आपको किसी बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. ये ओनली विक्टर्स बुक में मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. An object 5 centimeter in length. अब आपको मैं कुछ जब क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा आपको बताना है इसमें से वो क्या है, डिस्टेंस में से, और पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है. ठीक है. From first row, anyone stand. An object 5 centimeter in length. What is this 5 centimeter? ये हो गया. पेज कौन सा है बच्चों? पेज 186 ना. NCERT page 186, question number 10. This 5 centimeter is what? Anyone from first row? An object of 5 centimeter in length. क्या हुआ? Height of the object. Very good. What is the name? Kashi. Very good. This one is the height of the object. हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ बच्चों? यहाँ HO is equal to plus 5 centimeter with the sign convention. आगे बढ़ता हूं मैं. Held, an object of 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. An object which is 5 centimeter in length is kept 25 centimeter from a converging lens. What is this 25 centimeter?
Lens. Object distance.
Very good. That is, क्या नाम है आपका?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Very good, Abhishek. That U is 25 centimeter. This 25 centimeter is positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good. Negative. Always negative. Very good. This is the much better answer. U is always negative. अब ऐसा बोलो तो कभी नहीं बोलोगे. U is always negative. Object distance हमको ये हमेशा याद रखना है, क्या होगा? हमेशा negative होगा. Now converging lens is mentioned. Converging lens means which type of lens? Convex lens. Why it is converging? Because parallel rays converge at a point, meet at a point. क्यों होता है उसको भी मैंने डिस्कस कर दिया. आगे बढ़ता हूं मैं. Of focal length 10 centimeter. An object of 5 centimeter is in length, kept 25 centimeter away of a focal length 10 centimeter. What is this 10 centimeter? From middle row, anyone stand and say. Of focal length 10 centimeter. रुक जाइए अभिषेक. काशिफ आप भी रुक जाइए प्लीज. Anyone else? हाँ सेजल.
फोकल लेंथ हो गया उसका.
क्या हुआ? फोकल लेंथ कितना हुआ बेटा?
पॉजिटिव है प्लस 10 सेंटीमीटर.
Very good. Positive 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. These are the sign convention बच्चों. देख रहे हैं ना, सबके साथ में नोटेशन लिखा हूँ प्लस माइनस. आगे बढ़ता हूँ. Draw the ray diagram of the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image. तो हमको तीन चीजें मालूम करना है बच्चों. Position, size and nature, and also we have to draw the ray diagram. Now Please discuss this condition with me. Look at the board. U is 25 centimeter and F is 10 centimeter. Where the object is kept on what condition? 25 centimeter पर object रखा तो क्या है बच्चों? So what will be the 2F? 20. Very good. 20 centimeter. 2F is 20 centimeter. Where? What is the position of the object? Very good. I want this rational skill to be developed by you in you. ये रैशनल स्किल मैं चाहता हूं आप डेवलप कीजिए टू आस्क क्वेश्चन टू द गिवन कंडीशन एंड फाइंड द आंसर। जैसे एक बच्चा मेरे साथ इन्वॉल्व था, जैसे मैंने कहा कि f कितना है 10 सेंटीमीटर, 2f कितना होगा, फट से वो बताया 20 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज डबल ऑफ द फोकल लेंथ। तो 20 सेंटीमीटर का ऑब्जेक्ट कहां रखा गया बच्चों? 25 सेंटीमीटर, यानी कि 20 से ज्यादा है, यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट कहां रखा गया? 20 के बाद। अब इसको फिगर से मैं समझाने की कोशिश करूंगा। सपोज दिस इज योर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, दिस इज ऑप्टिकल सेंटर f, ये आपके पास कितना दिया है हमारा f, दिस इज गिवन 10 सेंटीमीटर। अब ये हो गया हमारा 2f, ये कितना हो जाएगा हमारा 20 सेंटीमीटर, बट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट 25 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द लेंस। यहां से कितना कहां रखा गया? 25, तो इसे दूर रखा गया। So what is the condition beyond 2f? Are you getting my point? So when the object is kept beyond 2f, what is the nature of the object, nature of the image? That is the condition number 2. याद करो, practice करोगे। That the image is formed between f and 2f. Size is smaller or larger? स्मॉलर। तो जो हमारा इमेज बनेगा वो 5 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा बनेगा कि छोटा बनेगा?
बड़ा बनेगा।
स्मॉलर में क्या होता है? छोटा बनेगा। और रियल और इंपोर्टेड बनेगा। तो दिस इज द थ्योरी, ये हमारा थ्योरी है, हमने थ्योरी पढ़ा था। उसी का क्या हो गया ये बच्चों? प्रैक्टिकल हुआ। सो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड and finalize and get the conclusion that the size of image is less than 5 centimeter. It must be real and inverted. ये हमारा आंसर आना चाहिए। अगर ये आंसर नहीं आता है तो our calculation is wrong. One more very important thing I would like to discuss with you, my dear class 10 students, that physics numerical, the most important part of the physics numerical is this one. To translate or to transform the information correctly with the sign convention. क्योंकि अब मैं जो करने जा रहा हूं वो आपके दिलो दिमाग में बैठा हुआ है कि वही न्यूमेरिकल्स है। क्लास 10 CBSE board doesn't want to test your knowledge whether you are knowing the addition or subtraction of fractional number or not. वो आपको इस चीज के लिए टेस्ट करता है कि फ्रैक्शन का एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन आप जानते हैं कि नहीं। इसका तो टेस्ट वो नहीं करेगा फिजिक्स में। किसका टेस्ट करेगा? कि आपको साइन कन्वेंशन लेंस मिरर और लेंस के विषय में मालूम है कि नहीं। क्योंकि अब मैं जो कैलकुलेशन करने जा रहा हूं दैट इज द मियर कैलकुलेशन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर। बस उतना ही है बच्चों। अब देखिए, अब हम फार्मूला लिखेंगे 1/v minus 1/u is equal to 1/f। हमको v निकालना है। u कितना दिया है बच्चों? -25। f कितना दिया हमारा? 1/10। This is not the important part of your numericals. This is the important part of your numericals. अब कितना आसान हो जाएगा? देखो कितना हो जाएगा? 1/v is equal to 1/10 minus come this side become minus LCM कितना हो गया हमारा? 50 10 5 जा 25 2 जा, ये कितना हो गया हमारा? 3/50। तो v कितना हो गया बच्चों हमको? 50/3 centimeter. We get one condition, the position of the image, that is 50/3. Come to the table. If v is positive, image is real. It falls on the other side of the lens. तो नेचर का हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ बच्चों? नेचर क्या हो गया हमारा? रियल एंड इनवर्टेड। अब छोटा के बड़ा अब साइज हम निकालेंगे तब हम लिखेंगे स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट। अब एच आई का फार्मूला क्या होता है हमारा? v अपॉन कौन बोला माइनस v अपॉन u। लेंस में बच्चों याद रखो प्लस होता है, इधर ये गड़बड़ मत करना। मिरर में क्या होगा? माइनस होगा। v अपॉन u इनटू हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। v कितना है बच्चों? 50 अपॉन 3। u कितना है हमारा? माइनस 25। और ये कितना हो गया हमारा? हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट 5। अब देखो 25 1 जा एंड 25 2 जा, कितना होगा? 5 2 जा माइनस 10 अपॉन 3 सेंटीमीटर। तो माइनस 10 अपॉन 3 इज मोर देन 5 और लेस, सॉरी 10, हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज 10 अपॉन 3 मींस minus 3.3 centimeter means 3.3 centimeters. The 3.3 is smaller than 5 or larger than 5. Smaller than 5. तो हम जो हम डिस्कस किया तो वो आ गया। अब यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? रियल नेचर आएगा, यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? इसी में smaller than object. And this minus sign again. When the height of the object is negative, image is real. Are you getting my point? So from both things we get that image is real, inverted and smaller than object. Size of the object is 3.3 centimeter. And what does this negative sign tells us? That the image is real and inverted. And this is the position of the object. And position of object also tells us that the image is real. So from both conditions we get the correct conclusion, correct result what we have discussed according to the theory. So my dear student, these are the keys. ये चाबियां हैं। किसकी चाबियां? लेंस के न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए। अगर इसको आप समझ गए अच्छी तरह से तो आप न्यूमेरिकल्स अच्छी तरह से बना पाएंगे, वरना नहीं बना पाएंगे। ठीक है, चलिए तो प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। ट्राई टू सॉल्व एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक प्लस योर एस चांद बुक और अदर्स बुक। इफ यू हैव डाउट, कम विथ योर डाउट। आई विल कलेक्ट योर क्वेश्चंस एंड टेक वन डाउट क्लास related to numericals related to lens. Till then, my dear class 10 students, all the best. God bless you.